Hey everybody, Joyce here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply your red Aspen nail dashes using nail dash tabs. So let's start by taking a quick look at what comes in the box. You get 10 sheets of nail dash tabs, and there's 30 clear double-sided tabs per sheet. The back of the box also has instructions on how to apply and remove the glue tabs. Tabs themselves come in a clear plastic storage container for easy storage afterwards. So I have the last nail ready here, and I have done our standard application procedures already, where I've pushed back the cuticles, I've buffed it, and I've wiped it down with an alcohol wipe so it's dry and ready for the nail. So now we're going to take our nail tabs, and these come with kind of a double-sided layer protective cover here, and the tabs themselves, they're kind of hard to see since it's clear, but they're just these sticky little guys that have kind of a harder plastic shell. You can see there's a little tab there that you can grab and use. You can use tweezers or you can just use your fingers, but you will just simply take this glue tab and put it on your nail, and then give that a press down for a few seconds just so the glue adheres to the nail. So now that's on, you can see there is a clear cover on the top of it. Now this part can be a little bit tricky, but you just want to lift off this clear protective cover. And if it sticks to the nail, just try to push the glue tab back down a little bit. So now you have taken the cover off, you have the glue exposed. Now we're going to take our nail dash, and this is going to be put on the same as we would with the glue. So we're going to come in at a 45-degree angle, put it right on the cuticle, press that down, and we're just going to hold that down for a few seconds to let that glue adhere to the nail dash tab. And that's it. That's all there is to it. There's a little bit of a learning curve just getting used to the protective layers and how they fit onto your nail, but they're pretty easy to use. Now the package says that they will last for 1 to 5 days. So now we're gonna test them out and see how long they last. Hey everybody. So I tried the nail dash glue tabs today, and I thought I'd just come back here and give a quick recap of what I've experienced with them so far. I think I've had them on for 8-ish hours. We've done some shopping, I've done dishes, cooked dinner. They're all still on, as you can see. Nothing's popped off yet. I have noticed a little bit, like if I'm scratching my head or something, putting a little bit of pressure, I'm feeling it more kind of around like the cuticle area, kind of feel like it's gonna pop off, but it hasn't popped off. So it doesn't give me like as secure of a feeling as it would if I just used the regular glue at this point. But I mean, nothing's popped off so far. Hey there, so it's day 3 of wearing my nail dash glue tabs, and I thought I'd just hop on here and show you that all my nails are still intact. I have to say I'm pretty impressed so far that nothing has really popped off yet. I will say, however, they are starting to feel a little loose, like I'm being very careful and like not to grab anything with my nails or something that would like push it off of the finger. So there is that, but I mean, the tabs themselves are supposed to be for 1 to 5 days. I think they definitely did the job of that. That'd be a great option if you don't want long-term use of the nail, and you just want to go out for the evening or for a weekend, or maybe you like to switch them off a little bit more. I know I do. And I've got to say, I'm pretty impressed with these. They definitely serve their purpose, and I highly recommend them. So that's my honest review of these nails. Let us know if you try them, and comment below if you have any questions. Bye.